So hi everyone, I am Jay. We are going to see one assembly language program using which we can find whether the number is even or odd. So let's see the question first. The question is, write an assembly language program to find number of even numbers in block of 5 data stored from 3000H. So we have to find even numbers in block of 5 data which is stored from 3000H. So from 3000H the block of 5 data is stored. So we have to find that in this block of 5 data how many numbers are even. Okay? These are some registers that we are going to use in our program. The first one is the register B. We will initialize the register B with the size of the block. Every time we process one data, we will decrement the value of B by 1. For example, we will initialize the value of B with 5. After we have checked the first number whether it is even or odd, we will decrement the value of B with 1, so it will become 4. It means 4 data are remaining. We will initialize the register C as counter for even numbers. So whenever we find any even number, the value of the C will be incremented by 1. There is a carry in the accumulator. The HL pair is used as a memory pointer. So let's initialize these registers. First of all, let's initialize B. So we will use the instruction MVI B05H. So MVI B05H, it means in the B05H will be stored, that is the size of the block. We will initialize the register C with 00H. In the register C, we are going to find whether the number is even or odd. Let's initialize the memory pointer LXI H 3000H. It means in the 3000 in the HL pair, it means in the HL pair 3000H will be stored. Now to check whether the number is even or odd, we have to move that data to the accumulator. So let's write the instruction MOV A, M. What is the meaning of MOV A, M? Move data from the memory location to accumulator. Memory location which specified in HL pair. In HL pair 3000H is specified, so data will be moved to accumulator. Now you can see that the first data is 0 and 0 is considered as neither even nor odd. So after moving the data, so we are going to use the instruction that is CPI 00H. CPI 00H, it means we will compare the 00H with the content of accumulator. Now if we compare 00H with content of accumulator, we know that answer will be 0 and 0 flag will be set. So when 0 flag will be set, in that case we are not going to increment the content of C. So when the 0 flag is set, we are going to check for the next number, because we are going to increment the register C when we find any even number. Right now the number is 0, so we will use the instruction jump if 0 to L1. And in the L1, what we are going to do is that we will increment the pointer, that is INX-H. We will increment the pointer INX-H. Then after we will decrement the data, because from the 5 data we have checked 1 data, so remaining data is 4, so we will decrement the register B, that is DCR B. Okay, so DCR B, so value of the B will be 4, and we will use the instruction jump dot 0 loop. It means one data is checked, now the 4 data is remaining, so we will put this loop jump dot 0 loop here. So now the data will be moved from the memory location to accumulator. When we have performed the INX-H, the value has become 1. Okay, so now MOV A, M means data will be moved from the memory location to accumulator. So now the next data that is moved is 43H. After that we will compare this number. Now we will compare with 00H, and we know that these two numbers are not equal, so 0 flag will not be set. Okay, so when the number is not 0, in that case we are going to find that whether the number is even or odd. So to check that, let's represent this number in the binary. Let's represent the 43H in the binary. So if you convert into binary, you will get 01000011. Now, how to find the number is even or odd? To find whether the number is even or odd, we are going to check the LSB. If the value of LSB is 1, in that case the number is odd. And if the value of LSB is 0, it means number is even. But we cannot directly check the LSB of the accumulator. We have to perform some operation in the accumulator. So to check the LSB of the accumulator, we are going to perform the right shift operation. So after checking whether the number is 0 or not, if the number is not 0, we will rotate the content of accumulator right side. So when we rotate the content of accumulator right side, the value which is present in the LSB will be stored in the carry. Now you can see that the carry is generated. When the carry is generated, it means the number is odd. When the number is odd, we have to check for the next number. So when the number is odd, we will use the instruction that is jump carry to L1. It means when the carry is generated, we will jump to loop L1. Okay? Now let's see, suppose the LSB of the data which is stored in the accumulator is 0. Let's see all the process from the beginning. We will compare the number with 0. Of course this number is not 0, so 0 flag will not be set. So we will not jump to L1. We will follow the sequence. Then after we will perform the rotate accumulator right. When you perform rotate accumulator right, the 0 will be stored to carry. After that the instruction is jump carry to L1. It means when the carry is generated, we will jump to L1. Right now the carry is not generated. It means the number is even. When the number is even, in that case, we will increment the content of register C by 1. It means it will become 1. And after that, at the last, we will use the instruction halt. So this is the program using which we can find whether the number is even or odd. Pay attention, this loop will be executed how many times? 5 times. Okay? This loop will be executed until the value of B becomes 0, because you can see that after the DCRB we have used jump not 0 loop. It means after decrementing, if the content of B is not 0, then we will jump to loop. If after decrementing the content of B becomes 0, it means we are not going to jump to loop. So in that case the program will be stopped. It will halt. Okay? So one problem you have to perform by yourself is that you have to find the number of odd numbers in the block of 10 datas which is stored from the memory location 8000H. And I think this is it for this program. If you still have any doubt, you can ask me in the comment section, and this is it.